Namaste. Our next pose also we will do in the lying down position. So, taking your hands to heart center, gently bend forward, bend your knees, and come into the sitting position and lie down on your back. Okay? Just be comfortable, keep your knees bent. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now open your arms at shoulder level. Okay? Now raise one leg up very gently. You can use your hand to raise your leg up. To raise the other leg, you can use your hand also to raise your legs up. And just legs waist distance apart. Don't touch them together, just waist distance apart. Now stay in this position for 10 minutes. Just breathe, relax your back and relax your shoulders. You will see that this pose might help you a lot. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. You can also bend your knees. And if you are feeling tired, then just open your legs to the side and bring them together. Open your legs to the side, bring them together. So do this 10 times. 3, 4. Inhale, legs together. Exhale, open your legs. Inhale, legs together. Exhale, open your legs. Okay. Now bend your knees and just drop your knees sideways to the left side. Look to the right. Bring your knees up, drop your knees to the right side and look to the left. Do this one more time. Raise your knees, drop your knees to the left side. Hold your knees and just stay and feel the stretch in your right side of your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. Hear your breath. Now raise your knees, drop your knees to the other side, hold it down with your hand and open your arms shoulder level. Take your knees towards your armpit and breathe. Your shoulders should touch the mat and relax here. Keep relaxing your shoulders. Relax as you breathe in and relax as you breathe out. Okay, now relax. Bring your knees up and your legs straight. Toes pointed outwards and arms by your side, palms facing to the ceiling. Relax your shoulders first. Relax your back. Relax your mind. Relax your whole body. Practice Shavasana now. Observe your breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Now just Observe normal breathing, observe your breath, and let all disturbances, distractions be as they are. Just notice them. Let any pain, worry, tensions be as they are, any stress, just notice them. Notice your focus on yourself and your breath and only relax. So relax for 10 minutes, observing your breath and relaxing.